Hey, I'm Steve from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. One common misconception homeowners have about fiber cement siding is that it's too heavy for their home and can compromise the integrity of their home's foundation. Some siding companies even tell this to homeowners to scare them from choosing fiber cement siding over other types like vinyl or aluminum. This statement is simply false, and in this video we're here to debunk this myth. What is James Hardie siding? James Hardie fiber cement siding, meticulously crafted for diverse climates, defies elements such as sunlight, rain, and winds. Yet amidst the facts, myths linger, casting shadows of doubt. So how hefty is James Hardie siding? It tips the scales at a mere 2.3 pounds per square foot. To put this in context, let's measure it against other siding types. If we look at bricks, 39 pounds per square foot. Stone, 14 to 29 pounds per square foot. Aluminum is 3 to 5 pounds per square foot, and vinyl is 1 to 2.5 pounds per square foot. To sum all that up for you, brick and stone, though the true heavyweights, coexist in the market without any stories about its weight. Surprisingly, vinyl, the lightweight champ, matches the weight of James Hardie siding. But what about my foundation? Now let's lay to rest the foundation fears. Does James Hardie siding spell doom for your home's foundation? The verdict? False. Foundation shifting is the true culprit. It's a universal phenomenon with any siding type. That's what causes your home to shift, and no home is immune to it. Signs of foundation issues. Cracks in siding, stucco, drywall, or concrete? These hint at foundation shifts regardless of the siding's weight. Understanding this, you now know that heavy siding isn't a mischief maker. Even the sturdiest shouldn't damage your home due to its weight. Now with myths dismantled, let's address the heart of the matter. Is James Hardie siding right for you and your home? Durability, resistance, and rot resistance make James Hardie a top choice. It battles the harshest elements like a knight in shining armor, guarding against weather's onslaught. Money matters. Let's just say it. If budget reigns supreme and longevity isn't your prime concern, James Hardie might not be your knight in shining armor. James Hardie stands tall but doesn't come cheap. The investment reflects its quality, a hallmark in the realm of siding. Remember, the choice extends beyond materials. It's about aligning your goals with your project's essence. If you're worried about your home's foundation, check out the video linked above and below where we highlight 4 signs your home has foundation issues. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.